Welcome back to Park Time, where we witness some seriously satisfying karma for drivers who block the way and get caught red-handed on camera. Today's lesson: those painted lines exist for a reason. Park responsibly before your car turns into an unintended work of art. The street isn't a stage, but someone's clearly overacting. Arguing in the middle of the road rarely solves anything, but it quickly creates new problems. Acting tough doesn't automatically fix the problem. You can be mad, but reacting like that only adds more trouble. His face was redder than the traffic light behind him. If I were her, I'd probably just stay quiet too. The car was doing 32 miles per hour, but my heart was racing at 120. I just hope everyone makes it home safely. Those two were talking with zero distance between them. One second of distraction is all it takes. After parking, you'd probably look back and wonder who was holding the wheel. Two pickup trucks met and chose to measure strength instead of words. One beat of overconfidence is enough to send a car airborne. That car clearly picked the wrong one to mess with. Ignore the handbrake long enough, and one day you'll remember why it matters. No one expected that steering move to end underwater. If there were a system alert, it would be flashing wrong direction. Just watching it makes you feel your bank account tremble. Park like that and no one needs to add commentary. The city chose a quick solution instead of waiting for explanations.
What do I come across? Are you kidding me? These jeepers think
Parking spots have their own rules. You can't just squeeze in whenever you feel like it. This car looks like it's testing out swimming in the middle of the street. The tree didn't move, but the driver still couldn't avoid it. The view was nice, just a bit wetter underfoot than expected. Now all that's left is to stand there and regret it. A slight misalignment of the wheels, but the cost is anything but small. No long talk, they handled it right away. Those painted lines on the road aren't just for photo backdrops. When the sign is ignored, the bill will speak for itself. One impulsive minute, a whole month of second thoughts. At first glance, it looked minor, but reality said otherwise. The kind of situation that makes your heart race instantly. Thought it was just a quick stop, ended up being relocated entirely. Driving like that, sooner or later you'll have a reason to get a new car. Everyone's in a rush until the exit is blocked right in front of them. The audience is laughing, the car owner is frozen in shock. After parking, someone even left behind a souvenir. No damage done, just a message clear enough to understand. This moment made the entire parking lot pause and watch. Not fully sinking, just testing its ability to float. A slight misalignment of the wheels and emotions went off track too. Parking that feels like entering an extreme challenge. One door swing was enough to change the whole direction of events. The glass is cracked, but the calm face remains. Parking like that is basically buying a free ticket to consequences. The wheels tried, but the road disagreed. After parking, the entire lot had to solve the puzzle. Not sure if he ever turned back to take a proper look. If this were a movie, this would be the climax. The sign was always there. The question is whether you chose to listen. That's the thing, the road isn't your personal backyard, so maybe tone down the circus act for everyone else's sake. That move really went straight into the ground. What's your score for this one? Drop your verdict in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next video.